It's unbelievable how much has changed since I last walked this road centuries ago. The communities along the way now learn together and call others' attention to my cultural heritage with the support of the European Union. The name of the project is NewPilgrimAge. Along the way, communities from many cities joined forces to revive my cultural heritage, both physical and intangible. What a surprise indeed! Nowadays people actually follow my core values and invent new things and ways to protect them. He was a person chosen by the community. His job was to lead his community through the change I mentioned before. People have long been curious about how communities function and how they can best preserve our cultures. New pilgrimage communities have held regular meetings and made plans on how to support this process. We have a common concept as a result, introducing the basic values of MPA cities. The communities then made a list of what they have and what they need in addition to that. With a local idea contest, they gathered innovative ways to process their cultural heritage. The contest was an opportunity for everyone to participate. The best ideas were picked and also presented transnationally. While the communities worked to implement the best ideas, they also set their future goals for a period of 3 years. As a matter of fact, I have not the faintest idea what ICT means. Can somebody help me with this? Most pilot actions have to do with IT. These can be applications on your phone, websites, or games. Their goal is to promote local culture and services. Younger people like me also like to learn new things this way. Thank you, young man. It's amazing that after so many years, my values are still needed. With the help of these modern tools, we can draw everyone's attention to the wonderful things that our cultural heritage makes possible.